Well, hello everyone. From this video to another 3 lectures, we'll develop. I'll teach you to make a login screen. For example, we'll make this login screen with the use of different kind of layouts. In this video, we'll use uh, constraint layout. In the next video, we'll try to use relative layout to make this screen, and in the video after that we'll use linear layout to develop the screen, right? So we already have this constraint layout, and let me remove this widget, that is text view, and let's give some background color to our main layout background, and it has a blue color, so we'll give a blue color. To get a color, go to this color.xml file and click on these square buttons, and you select a color and you copy this hex code, right? And you paste that code with a hashtag over here. So we have the background color. Now we have to write this, so we can use text view or we can use image view. If you download the similar image of Facebook logo, you can use image view, but for now we'll use text view to show that. Wrap content, right? And make sure to close this tag. Every tag you create, make sure to close it, all right? And text will be Facebook. We can't really see it, so let's change the text size. Text size will be 30 dp, right? And text color, we have to change text color as white, right? Okay. And the next thing is we can change text style as well as bold. It is still very small, so let's increase the size. Okay, it is enough, but still we can see it is giving us the error with a red underline. That's because in constraint layout you have to give constraint. So let's give constraint to the parent, down and upward, upward, and let's move this to here, right? Now what else we get? To edit text and a button, right? So let's get an edit text, width will be match parent and height will be wrap content, right? And background will be white. It is still a very small height wise, so let's give padding to it, 10 dp maybe. Yeah, it is quite nice. Now as you can see over here, it has a spacing from side, so we can make the spacing by using margin. I'm not giving margin top, left, right, or anything. I'm giving just margin. What it does that it gives margin from all over all the four side, right? So, and we can give hint to an edit text as email, right? And then close it. Now we give constraint to this edit text, right? And let's move a little bit upward. Another, we need password, so I'm just gonna copy and paste it. I'm not gonna type everything again, just change the hint as password and move a little bit low, right? Now we need a button, a login button. Width will be wrap content and height will be match parent. Okay, height will be wrap content and width will be match parent, and text will be login, and text color will be white, and background, I need a background as primary dark, or you can give whatever color you like and close it. Now let's give constraint to it, and make sure you give margin as well, just to make it look good. Margin 30 dp, right? Now let's drag it down here. Okay, what else we got now? This is a text view. Let's implement it. Text view, width and height both will be wrap content. Text will be, what is the text? Sign up for Facebook. Sign up for Facebook, not box, it's book, right? Text color would be white. Text size will be 20 dp. I want it to look bigger, so let's give constraint again. Where is it? Yes, and let's drag it down right up there. Okay, now to implement this little question mark, we have two ways. One is to download an image and use image view, and other is to use text view, right? I'm gonna use text view. I'm leaving it up to you to experiment with image view, right? I'm just going to copy the text view for sign up and change the text with question mark. Now in XML, question mark is cannot be used as a string. It is a symbol, right? You cannot use symbol like question mark, ampersand sign, just like that in a string. We have, so we'll include forward slash to make it a string, right? Now let's just, where is it, move right here. Okay, you can okay, height and width are changed to make it wrap content again, and drag it to here. Finished. So we have designed our login screen with constraint layout, right? Now I am going to give you a task for this lecture, that instead of text view you use image view. You download image of Facebook logo and a question mark and replace these two text view with images, right? So that's it for this video. In the next video we'll implement the same screen but using relative layout. All right, I'll see you in the next video.